My name is Anthony Muhammad, also known as Grandpapa Tone and his House of Kungas. I feel it in my bones, I feel it in my hands, I feel it in my tones, it feels good. Well, I gotta tell you, when the Anthony Bourdain show came into town, they were looking for somebody to lead off their program with some good words about Atlanta. And when they first approached me and found out I was a New Yorker, they hesitated until I explained to them that the southern charm of Atlanta is actually not always displayed by only those born in Atlanta, because only 40% of those who reside here are actually from Atlanta. It's what has been adopted by those from all over the world who have come here. The feeling of being able to speak to people just in greeting, which has become somewhat obsolete in many places, to the degree that if you greet someone that you don't know, people almost look at you as being strange or perhaps threatening. So I like to think that the beauty of the place is actually catchy and transforms other people who come across it. And that's what I call beautiful Atlanta.